Create custom paper sizes in macOS for HP printers. Want to create a custom paper size for printing from your Mac? We'll show you how in just a couple minutes, so you can start printing. First, load your custom paper into your printer input tray. On your Mac, open the item you want to print. Select File. Then select Page Setup if it's available. If Page Setup is not available, select Print. Expand page attributes if needed, then select the Paper Size menu. Select Manage Custom Sizes. Select the plus icon. Then enter a name for your custom paper size. Make sure to use a unique name for your custom paper size. Using an existing name will override the current settings, so they will no longer be available. Enter the width and height for your custom paper. Make sure the dimensions aren't larger than the actual size of your paper. If you want to, set the unprintable margin areas. Then select OK. Your custom paper size is now created, and you can use it when printing.